Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool storage unit. It's a 235 quart capacity with 4 separate bins, and I wanted to show you a lot about them because there's a lot of versatility. One, they are on wheels. Not casters, but they are wheels, which is great if you've got a lot of weight in them. It's easy to move those around, and they easily can stack because of that as well. So you actually have the ability to stack these with those wheels that just simply slide right down in those grooves, allowing you to then take these things and actually stack them however you'd like. You can stack them as high as you need, and they still roll around. To assemble them is very simple. They actually come like this, which is, really nice that they come in a nice condensed package. It also means that whenever you're not using them, you can easily take them down. And to put them together, really pretty simple. It comes with a lid, and then you just simply take this other piece and fold it out like this. Once that is all out and in place, you then simply take the lid and put it on the top, and it will go on and lock in place. We will cut this out, blah, blah, blah. Cutting out, cutting out. Once that is slid into place, you just simply lock these two pieces on the top. And now everything is nice and structured. Then you can simply put this wherever you'd like. Now, this does come with a top that can be removed. It has some ventilation holes in the top, which is another nice feature if you have something that's going to have an odor in there. That can easily be removed for that. You also have a lot of different ways to access this bin. You can simply pull this top part and remove the top piece like that. If you needed to access, you also can access it from the front. I'm going to set this one up here so you get the full effect here. It actually has latches on the front, which you can simply remove. That way you have access from the front. That way, if you're needing to store things in there, tools and whatnot, this actually holds quite a bit of weight, which is really nice. And you can also access it from the sides. So on any of the sides, you actually have the ability to access this, drop this down. And now if you're wanting to store things in the side to get access, you can easily do that. So you've got about 5 different ways to access. You've got from the front, you've got the sides, and you have the top. So really nice feature. Loving the fact that this is on wheels and the fact that you can stack this in any particular way that you want to, and is extremely sturdy and will hold a lot of weight. This would work well in anybody's storage unit or garage or inside your own home.